चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
I just want to go to Prakash for a minute because I've got Prakash back. Prakash, did the Deputy Chief Minister K. Samrat Chaudhary ji, did he of the BJP, did he meet Nitish Kumar or not meet Nitish Kumar?
Order a moment back, Samrat Chaudhary had gone to meet Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, and the meeting has taken place, and the message was there from Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Modi that he should meet the Chief Minister of Bihar and invite him for the meeting tomorrow. Most likely, he would be attending the meeting. That's what we get to know from the JDU sources. And Nitish, as a matter of fact, will not join hands with the India Alliance. That I'm putting it on record. I've got to speak to top JDU sources, and as far as the ministerial berths are concerned, the bargaining would be done, and as I had said earlier, that the demand for a special category status would also be made. But as of now, the JDU spokesperson, top JDU leaders close to Nitish Kumar and sources close to Nitish Kumar confirming that Nitish is with NDA and he will be with NDA. And I have reasons for that. One, that Bihar faces assembly elections next year. Second, Modi and Nitish are a lethal combination when it comes to election. Third, the EBC votes have to be consolidated, and it's a fractured mandate for the India Alliance because there are multiple parties, and Nitish would not risk going there because we have already seen what happened to Chaudhry Charan Singh in 1977, with Vishwanath Pratap Singh and Chandrasekhar in 89 and 91, and the United Front government in 96 to 98. So Nitish would not risk that. So the reasons are based on that. Yes, the bargaining would be made in terms of more ministerial berths, more demands and special packages for Bihar. Back to you.
I spoke to I've just been on message with some very top BJP leaders who are usually frank with me, and they feel Nitish will be with NDA. They're also telling me that more allies are being brought in, the numbers are being consolidated. So the breaking news is that there was a WhatsApp doing the rounds, which was quoted by Ratnakar Tripathi also, that the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister of the BJP went and could not meet Nitish. You said that, Ratnakarji. That has been proven wrong because Prakash just confirmed, and Prakash is back with us live. How do you know this? I know it. You can, yeah, I mean, this is the Alice in Wonderland kind of theories that you put out here. Prakash is with the... Prakash.
Thank you.
So Prakash, 1 minute. I'll ask Prakash. Prakash, were there 2 meetings? 1 minute, Ratnakarji. Prakash, 322. Can I? Tanveer, I'm not in a very funny mood now. I'm asking him. You know, I'll tell you one thing. This is like saying that Tanveer Ahmed climbed up to somewhere close to the base camp, but comes back and says, I went to Mount Everest. Now, who knows whether you went or not? Who knows where the picture was from? You can make up any story out here. I have a reporter on the ground, and Prakash will be on it. You have a habit of... I am going with my stories out here. Go with Prakash. Go with Prakash on air. Prakash on air. If you producers, you are encouraging Tanveer by putting him on air. I am asking... 1 minute. I am asking twice. 1 minute, everyone quiet. Nitish, 1 minute. I am asking him. Prakash, can you be quiet here? I am asking you, sir.
PM has to come from...
1 minute. Were there 2 meetings or 1 meeting? Was there one aborted meeting? Subirda, you're too senior for me to ask you. Sir, the question is, Prakash, when did he go, what time? 3:22, the WhatsApp is circulated around that the BJP leader went to Nitish Kumar's house and could not meet him. 3:31, we get a confirmation that the meeting happened. What is the truth? When did he go? Who did he meet? Was he turned back? बिकॉज ये स्टोरी लगाई जा रही है इधर कि वो गए, उनको बोला नीतीश जी नहीं मिलेंगे, आप बाहर निकल जाओ. 1 minute प्लीज. लेट लिसन. प्रकाश.
Say that Nitish Kumar all of a sudden has become the darling of both the Indie Alliance. Once the Indie Alliance people sidelined Nitish Kumar, Indie Alliance people sidelined Nitish Kumar and they humiliated him, and that is why he walked out of the alliance and joined hands with the BJP. Yesterday, he met the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a very cordial atmosphere. Then how is the chance of annoying the BJP or not meeting the BJP leaders when he himself called on the Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday? Then there is no question of annoying any BJP leaders or marginalizing any BJP leader. Samrat Chaudhary did go and meet him, and it all happened in a cordial atmosphere. And I have spoken to top JDU and BJP sources that Nitish is going to be with the NDA, and I can say for sure, having covered Nitish Kumar for the last 22 years, that Nitish is not going back to the Indie Alliance.
So why don't